Ready to sell your house without lifting a finger? We just bought a house in Hyattsville, Maryland, as is. No repairs, no cleaning. Just a super simple, fast process that made the homeowner's life a breeze. At 3-Step Home Sale, we make it easy to sell your house in any condition. Whether it needs a little TLC or a complete overhaul, we've got you covered. Here's how it works. Step 1. Call us at 855-918-4010 or visit 3stephomesale.com. Step 2. Get a fair, no-obligation cash offer. Step 3. Pick your closing date, and we'll handle the rest. It's that simple. No stress, no hassle, and cash in your pocket fast. So if you're anywhere in the DMV area, let us help you sell your house the easy way. Call 855-918-4010 now or visit 3stephomesale.com. Sell your house fast and enjoy the freedom.